Have you ever pondered the process of recording and editing voiceovers with background music and videos on? Well, sit back and relax, because today we delve into the mesmerizing world of audiovisual editing. Step 1. Gather the necessary equipment. In the world of audiovisual production, quality is paramount. Hence, your investment should be in a high-grade microphone that can connect to your Android device. A pop filter is also a vital piece of equipment, as it mitigates the severity of P and B sounds. A soundproof room or area, although crucial, wasn't mentioned in your list, but do consider it as it ensures no external noises interrupt your recording. Step 2. Select the right app. There are numerous Android apps available for recording and editing voiceovers. Popular choices include HiQ MP3 Voice Recorder and Easy Voice Recorder. Each of these apps provide a unique set of features, so go ahead and pick the one that meets your requirements best. Next, we're diving into the recording phase. Position the microphone at a convenient distance, ideally between 4 to 6 inches from your mouth. Initiate the process by conducting a few test recordings to gauge the sound levels, and then make required adjustments. Always bear in mind it's more efficient to record at a diminished volume and enhance it afterwards than to record too loudly and result in distorted audio. Once your voiceover recording is complete, the editing process kicks off. Use your selected app to eliminate any unwanted awkward pauses or blunders. A multitude of apps provide tools for noise reduction, equalization, and compression, all aimed to amplify the clarity of your voice. The next step is to incorporate background music and videos. Pick a music track that enhances the mood of your voiceover. Be sure to tone down the music volume so it doesn't drown out your voice. When it comes to videos, hand-pick clips that are in sync with the content of your voiceover. To align your voiceover with the video, you can utilize Android video editing applications like PowerDirector or KineMaster. At last, proceed to exporting your project. Ensure that you save your work in a format that does not compromise the audio and video quality. Familiar formats for saving your work include MP4 for video and WAV or MP3 for audio. To recap, the journey of creating a voiceover with background music and video on an Android device involves a series of steps. First, gather quality equipment and choose the right app. Then, record your voiceover, making sure to test your sound levels. Edit your recording to remove any unwanted sounds and enhance the audio quality. Background music and synchronize your voice over with the video. Lastly, export your project in a high-quality format. So the next time you find yourself wondering about the art of recording and editing voiceovers on an Android device, remember, it's a process that requires a bit of patience, a dash of creativity, and a whole lot of passion.